Soil compaction is a major global issue associated with modern mechanical agriculture. The use of heavy machinery and other modern agricultural approaches can have significant impact on soil and soil-based processes. Soil compaction is defined as a process where soil grains are rearranged to reduce void space, thereby increasing bulk density. Compaction can affect both the upper layer of soil, the topsoil, and soil to depth, known as subsoil. Subsoil compaction is a challenging problem as remediation of this is costly and very difficult to achieve. It has been demonstrated to drive significant reductions in crop yield and as such has been recognised as a serious form of soil degradation by the European Union. Soil compaction can reduce farm production efficiency by increasing the costs of production while simultaneously reducing crop yield. Soil compaction reduces the potential for crop growth and yield by restricting the growth of roots, limiting aeration and water storage, and reducing the availability of nutrients in the soil. This can lead to a greater requirement for fertiliser input as a countermeasure and higher fuel usage due to the extra energy required for activities such as ploughing. As a result, soil compaction may be damaging economically and can have significant consequences for farm business efficiency. Soil becomes compacted when exposed to heavy machinery traffic or through excessive animal trampling. Three components govern the degree to which a soil is affected: soil texture and structure, soil organic matter content, and soil water content. The degree of organic matter in a soil will influence the degree to which a soil is impacted by increasing the resistance of a soil to deformation and increasing elasticity potential. Compaction effects from heavy machinery and livestock trampling are exacerbated in wet conditions. Typically, soils with high moisture content are more vulnerable to the impact of compaction as the strength of a soil is heavily dependent on water content. Timing machinery usage or grazing is therefore a key strategy for reducing the potential impact of compaction. There are several strategies available for avoiding the effects of soil compaction. Using machinery with tracked wheels, low ground pressure tyres or larger tyres may reduce the impact of heavy machinery on the soil. Reducing the amount of passes of a vehicle will also have a positive effect. This can be done through a system known as controlled traffic farming, which uses permanent traffic lanes coupled with a GPS system to ensure only a small amount of field soil is affected. The effects of compaction can also be reduced by increasing organic matter levels in soil through processes such as reducing tillage intensity and frequency, which will also help to reduce compaction by reducing the requirement for machinery usage. Soil compaction is a global challenge for modern agriculture, as this impact can reduce crop yield and increase the need for expensive inputs such as fertiliser and energy. By reducing this harmful influence, UK farms can enhance their potential for production and reduce environmental impact.